Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to ITSnippets. I'm sure, like most of you, you're getting pretty peed off with YouTube's new anti-adblock policy. Well, obviously as a content creator, I believe that ads, for the most part, are a good thing. I also believe that you should enable ads on content that is worthwhile. Unfortunately, a lot of content on YouTube is not worthwhile. So if you run into one of YouTube's ad blocks, as you can see right now, I've actually found a plugin that is currently available. Now, I'm using the Brave browser, but it should work for any Chromium-based browser. And if you install that, you can refresh and your ad will disappear. So if I just pull this in, it's literally called YouTube Anti-Adblock Bypass. As you can see, I have it installed. Seems to be getting mixed reviews, but these are only over the last couple of days because YouTube's getting more and more aggressive on actually blocking ad blockers, should I say, and working around anti-adblock ad blockers. Wow, this is getting complex. So previously you could do it using uBlock Origin. You can no longer do that to an extent. Basically, uBlock has to be updated, and it's not always updated as soon as you get the block. You need to wait a while for them to change it. So far, this has been the solution. So as you can see, I have it installed. You literally just come to this URL, search for it, and it's obviously in the Chrome Web Store, as you can see here, and click install in Brave in my case, or install in Chrome or whatever browser you're using. If I just close that out, you can see I have the ad block here, and if I reload, it's gone. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.